Hi viewers, Vaishipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install WordPress CMS content management system on your Hostinger cPanel. Actually, it's hpanel.hostinger.com. If you already purchased premium hosting, web hosting, you have to log into your website and you have to click here. From home section, premium web hosting, manage. And here you will get this option, add a website. I am clicking here, add a website, and we have to click here, WordPress, because we will install WordPress CMS, and you have to give here WordPress login details. Here is email and you have to give here password. I am giving here password and next. And from here you have to choose theme. And here I am choosing this theme. With this theme you can make any kinds of consultancy website, portfolio website, and even agency website free. Select. Here you will get this interface, recommended plugins. I am deselecting all because I will install manually the plugins which important for me. And now you have to click here, install WordPress, and here you have to give your domain name and you have to click here next. I am giving here my domain name and I am clicking next. And now you have to choose your country. Suppose I am choosing my country for this website, suppose this one, next, and it will take maximum 2 or 3 minutes for installing WordPress. And done, installation complete. Now if we see our website front end, and our WordPress installation is complete and our theme installation is complete. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel Online Business 7, like and share with your friends. Thank you.